Hello all, this section is about different ways for calling a function. There are two methods by which we can call a function, call by value and call by reference. In call by value method, when a function is called, the values will be copied from its actual arguments to the formal arguments of the function. And in the case of call by reference function call, the references will be passed from the calling function to the called function. To understand the details, let us consider an example. This is an example program for finding the largest of two numbers. We have a main program that uses a function largeb for finding the largest of two numbers. So a and b, they are the actual arguments. P and Q, they are the formal arguments. So when the function is called, the values in A and B will be copied to P and Q. Now here is the example. A has 55, B has 77. When the function largeb is called, this is what happens. Value in A gets copied to P variable, value in B gets copied to Q variable. In the second method for function call, called by reference, the addresses of the variable A and B will be passed to the called function. So as we see here, we have the function called largeb ampersand A, comma ampersand B. Now we have one more variable ampersand X, that is for getting the resultant value. And in the function body for largeb, we have three pointers: star P, star Q, star T. Now when the function is called, the addresses of the variable A, B and X will be passed to the pointer variables P, Q and T. Considering the earlier case, now instead of passing the actual value 5, 55 and 77, here we can see that the address of A variable comes into P and the address of B variable comes into Q. So 2000 and 2002 is passed on to the call function largeb along with the address of variable Ex, that is 2000. So after the comparison, using the if statement, if star P greater than star Q, whichever is largest, that will be stored in the location pointed by the T variable. So in the location 2006, directly the answer will be stored. So that means we need not have to use a return statement normally that is being used in the functions which adopt call by value method. I hope you have understood what is the difference between call by value and call by reference function call. Thank you all.